We are at the Churon Winery. Come and take a look with us. We're walking into the lobby. Nice fireplace going. This is where you check in. These are the wine barrels. Okay, this is our red and white wine tasting. So in the last one here, I switched it because I like the bubbly stuff. So I'm gonna try that one last. But the rest of them, we're going to try each other's and see which one we like the best. Okay, let's just take a look at the room. We're just walking in from the door. The left-hand side is the bathroom. We'll take a look at that in a minute. And then going through the hallway. And this is our room. Wow, so pretty. Let's see. It's got a nice fireplace. Walk around here, nice mirror. Let's go out this door. And this is our view. Wow. That's the very front. Here's some music playing in the background. Ooh, look at how pretty the view is. This is how big the balcony is. It's a pretty good size, honestly. Let's see. Come all the way back. Yeah, there's plenty of room over here. It's not real. I thought it would be really tiny, but it's really not. So we walk over here. And walk in through the door. And this is how we see it. And that's it. Really a nice room. One last thing we have to look at, and that's the bathroom. Let's go see it. Let's see, where is the light switch? Here it is. Not even hard to find. Nice jetted tub. Really big. And a nice shower too. Toilet. And then we have a nice, oh, it smells so good in here. And that's it. That's your tour. We are in the Syrah Suite. And I'm in here because I wanted you to take a look at this. When I saw how pretty this was, this is such a nice suite. Look. Let's take a look at the bathroom. And then it has the shower, toilet in the corner, and then it has the counter area. So it's very nice. Oh, it smells so nice in here. I can't believe how nice these bathrooms smell. And then look at how big this suite is. This is really big. Look at this. This looks really nice. It's got an armoire and a closet. I would say the only bad thing about this is the parking lot view. It's not that great, but these are what the rooms look like. The balcony and the patio. So when you stay here, it's your decision on, do you like the upstairs or downstairs? We preferred the upstairs. We had a really nice balcony and a really good view.
See where the sun is?
We are looking at sunset right now. We're looking in the east. Of course, sunset's in the west. But not at the winery. With the final review of the Churon Winery, we enjoyed our stay, we enjoyed the food, and of course the wine. We can't wait to come back. We highly recommend this place, and we know that you will love it too. What was it about the winery that we loved the most? The food, the wine. We loved everything. And we love the birds too.